I'll be sampling this song using FL Studio Mobile. So watch to learn for better understanding. By the way, there's this guy who be telling me that I've been promising you guys for lock drum sample pack. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be posting that soon or later, but the lock drum samples is done now. So what's left is to open up a BeatStars account, so that you can go there and get it and download it. So please be patient and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's make a beat. So immediately I'm gonna go for Freak, and as you look under effects, I already put distortion. Yes, and Freak is a low frequency sample sound, so please put your headphones on. And by the way, Freak is one of my lock drum bass. This is one of the sounds that I use to help my lock drum. So yeah man, use it too. Now I'm gonna add those things right here. I'm gonna make a lock drum pattern. This is a cook up. I'm not gonna explain too much. As you can see, I'm putting it in a lock drum pattern way. Move it back. Now it sounds better. Now let's stretch this one. This one at the top, we ain't stretching it. Let's add a note right here. Make sure they don't clash too. Nice. Now let's add a little bit of drums. I'm gonna add this one right here. It's a cowbell. Now I'm gonna go all the way. I'm gonna put it all the way down because now it sounds a little bit too much. Copy this and move it down. Highlight it. Move it down, and then add some reverb on it. And decrease the volume too, so it doesn't sound too everywhere and too much. I don't think I like this one, but I'm gonna try and add something. Reverb. Sounds good. Sounds good. A little bit sound spice things up. No, I don't like it. Let's add something else. Nah, I don't like it like this. Should I add some delay? Nah. Now I'm adding a lock drum. I'm gonna add it on top of those Freak sub bass. Then I add a little bit of distortion on soft. Put things together nicely. You see, it sounds like a lock drum is stretching, but it's not a lock drum stretching. It's a Freak that is actually making it sound like it's a lock drum stretching. So use Freak, guys. Use it. Come on. What you talking about? Put it right here. And put it right here too. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna get this one out. I don't think it sounds cool right here. Out. Now I think that's all of it. I'll do more later. If you want a full tutorial, comment down below. I'll do more later, guys. And yeah man, this is what I can do for you right now. Don't go.